and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya with Mind, Body, and Soul Company, and I make aromatherapy, bath, and beauty products. If you're new, welcome. I hope you'll stick around and become part of my YouTube family. Today, we're gonna be making a cold process soap. It is a lemon poppy seed soap, so perfect for spring and summer. I have my oils melted in the bowl here. This recipe is a palm-free recipe. So it is olive oil, coconut oil, shea butter, castor oil, almond oil, and rice bran oil. And I'll leave the recipe in the description box for anyone who wants to try it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my lye water poured in. Go. And then I'm just gonna give it a quick whisk to start with. Before I blend it up. And that'll be good to start with. So I'm just gonna set this to the side. And then pour off some of my batter. The base of the soap is going to be yellow and then the top will be white. All right, that should be good there. So to my main bowl here, I'm gonna add some yellow mica from Brambleberry. And then this is my fragrance oil. It's a essential oil fragrance oil blend, lemon sugar from Wholesale Supplies Plus. It was a little hard to find an oil that didn't really discolor that much, but this one looked like it should work pretty well. And then I'm just gonna whisk that in also before we give it a blend. I'm gonna add in some poppy seeds. And I'm saving some for the top, but that should be good there. Okay. And we're gonna give that a super quick blend and get it in the mold. It's looking a little orangey now, but I am sure the color will lighten up some. All right. Let me just set that off. Go ahead and bring out my mold. My favorite molds are the silicone molds from Brambleberries. That's what I typically use. This does look like it's racing a little bit, so give me a moment here. I'm just gonna blend it a little more. All right, we got things kind of back how they should be, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this poured in. It smells awesome. That's not too sweet of a lemon, but it does have a touch of sweetness to it, so really like that scent. All right, so I have it all in, so I'm gonna give that a quick tap down and then I'll be right back. All right, so I got it tapped down and now I'm just gonna give the top a little texture just because it's not gonna be flat. Ooh, this is hardening up fast. Doesn't have to be perfect, just moving it around a little bit since it's not meant to be a straight line layer. That should be good. Now I'm gonna bring over the part we reserved for the top. And this is just gonna be a white layer. Got my titanium dioxide in there. Give that a quick stir, and then we will stick blend it also. And I'm gonna put in the last of my fragrance oil. That is looking good. So just gonna give this a super quick blend. Side. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get the white poured on top. Get my container scraped out. All right, so I'm gonna finish getting this scraped out and then tap it down. All right, so I got everything scraped out and got the mold tamped down. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just add some texture to the top. Just gonna pull it to the middle on both sides. It's a simple soap design, but it's a great soap. It doesn't always have to be complex. There we go. And then to the top, I'm gonna add some lemon peel as well as some more poppy seeds. So there's the lemon peel I'm gonna use. And I'm just gonna sprinkle that on right down the middle. There we go. Maybe a little more. Some always falls off, so less is not always best. Sometimes it is, but not always when you're using botanicals. There we go. And then here's the poppy seeds I had reserved. Gonna go ahead and get this sprinkled in. All right, I think that is looking good there. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and bring you in for a close-up. Okay, here's our close-up of the top. So I'm gonna let this set up for 24 to 48 hours, and then we'll be back to cut. All right, and we are back to cut my Luscious Lemon Poppyseed. It turned out really well. Just gonna take the end piece off here. Love how the bar turned out. There's the end piece there. It's got a great lemon smell to it. Also, pretty excited. This is my first time using this cutter. The one I had before, I had uneven cuts like all the time, so I'm hoping this really helps. So we'll see. Sure, there will be a learning curve, just as there is with anything. It does look like it went through a little bit of a gel phase. So good. And I like how the body of the soap toned down some, and even the slight yellow for the top. I had thought it was gonna stay white, but I actually really like kind of the pastel yellow that it turned to. There isn't much that smells better than lemon, except for maybe lavender. That's my first favorite, but lemon is a pretty awesome smell too. I love this cutter. So nice. And I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and I hope you'll subscribe and stick around for more videos. The next video I'm gonna do is going to be a candle video, making candles in reused containers. So that's what'll be up next. So I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one.